How to remove or undo reposts on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or undo reposts on Instagram. Let's get started. If you've accidentally reposted a post or reel on Instagram, don't worry. It's easy to remove. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. If you see the Repost tab below your bio, tap on it to view everything you've reposted. Next, select the post or reel that you'd like to remove. Then tap the Repost button again to undo the repost instantly. If you don't see the Repost tab on your profile, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and select your activity. Then tap Repost to view all of your reposted content. From here, you can press and hold on a post to select it, then tap Delete at the bottom of the screen to remove it from your repost history. That's it. You've successfully learned how to remove reposts on Instagram and manage your repost settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.